The first part of the design process was deciding on a brief, and for this project I decided on the Brisbane Street Art Festival brief. My work was primarily inspired by the work of Zandolino, and if we take a look at his work, we can notice some key design elements straight away. This includes circles, cut-off shapes, circles at intersecting lines, and irregular shapes. These design features featured heavily in the conceptualization phase of my typeface and inspired the art direction moving forward. Using these two design features of cut-off shapes and circles at intersecting points, the letter H was first developed. I chose to first develop the letter H as it gives us our stem to work with along with our shoulder and the ascender. From here, the letter H was used as a template of sorts in order to control the stem width and visual consistency. From these building blocks, I was soon able to establish the aesthetic of the bowl and the descender in order to establish the remainder of the characters. The next part of the design process was digitizing the drawings in Illustrator. The letter H again was first used in order to establish the stem width and visual shape. Once again, the letter H was used as a bit of a template in order to build the other characters. Once the drawings had been vectorized, they were then printed off before the refinement process began. I felt there was a little too much white space around the circle areas, so I decided to connect them with the other parts of the character. I felt this helped create more visual consistency and a better flow between the glyphs. Following this was various stages of iteration and progression before the glyphs were then taken into FontLab. After some more refinement and tweaking within FontLab, the font had been completed. Overall, I believe the typeface is able to resolve the brief in a creative and consistent manner.